Everything starts here. On the RealEye AI web dashboard, the supervisor can create a job with a set of tasks that are detailed in a step-by-step procedure. Each step can include images, videos, and clear instructions so the technician knows exactly what to do. Once it's ready, the job gets assigned instantly. Before starting the task, the technician reviews everything on a tablet or mobile device. All the steps are already there, organized and easy to understand, so there's no confusion before heading into the field. On site, the technician logs into RealEye using the AR glasses. From there, they download the assigned job from the server. Within seconds, the full set of instructions appears right in front of them, hands-free and ready to go. As the inspection begins, RealEye AI guides the technician step by step. During wheel identification, the instructions stay visible in their view, so they can work while following the process at the same time. When it's time to check the torque indication, the system clearly shows what needs to be verified. Reference images and descriptions are displayed to help ensure the task is done correctly and consistently. Next is the brake line inspection. RealEye AI displays the proper inspection points and reference visuals directly in the technician's view, making it easier to verify condition, alignment, and any visible issues without breaking focus. After completing each step, the technician captures photo or video evidence directly through the AR glasses and uploads the captured data in real time. This serves as proof that the task was completed properly. On the supervisor's side, they can immediately review the submitted evidence from their phone or tablet. Each step is documented and easy to track. Once everything looks good, the supervisor simply approves the task. If something needs correction, it can be sent back, keeping quality control in place. Back on the web dashboard, the task is marked as complete. Every action, from assignment to approval, is recorded and stored. This creates full visibility, full accountability, and a clear audit trail from start to finish. To get started with RealEye AI on the web, visit www.realeye.live. Enter your details, including enterprise name, first name, last name, and email, and select your country. You will receive an email from ThirdEye support with your account credentials and a temporary password for your first login. Go back to the RealEye AI webpage. Enter your login details along with the temporary password and click Login.